ओए खुशबख्तो, और जिस जिंदगी ने तुहानू टिके को उधार मांग लिया ते फिर टका तुहाडे कोलों चूड़ी चढ़ गई ओए नत्ता अपने पालतू।
King of Lollywood great Sultan Rahi Sahib was killed by some unknown persons near Gujranwala bypass between 8 and 9 January 1996. This terrible news not only affected Pakistan, but wherever Rahi Sahib's fans live, everyone cried tears of blood. Sultan Rahi was cremated on 14 January 612 steps away from his residence, in the compound of Shansh Qadri's mausoleum. The reason for the delay in the funeral of Sultan Rahi was that his wife and daughters were staying in America and they were informed that they had to reach Pakistan late due to heavy snowfall in America. Sultan Rahi's dead body on 14 January at din ke 11:20 in the morning from car number 485 LHR on Gefroze by his son Babar Sultan Law written by a cassette. By that time the whole of Lahore had come to pay their last respects to their beloved actor. Everyone was expressing grief and sorrow over the killing of Sultan Rahi. Thousands of people had reached Sultan Rabi's residence by din ke 10 baje. A heavy police force was deployed to control the procession, but in spite of this, when a child's funeral was taken out in the afternoon, a riot broke out. The person was not coming under anyone's care written by a cassette. On this occasion the police lathi charged Sultan Rahi's funeral as announced at 3 p.m. The child was taken. The funeral prayer was held in Bagh Jinnah near his residence. Sultan Rahi's funeral was placed outside the house on a truck which was decorated with flowers. Riyaz Butt, Shafkat Cheema, Ajab Gul Humayun Qureshi, Nadeem Javed Raza Arif Lobar Sultan Rahi's sons Haider Sultan, Babar Sultan, Tariq Sultan, actor Nawaz Khan, cameraman Riyaz Bukhari and fighter Kaisar Mastana were also there. The dead body of the deceased was brought to Bagh Jinnah. Bagh Jinnah was crowded with people. According to an estimate, 2 to 2.5 lakh people participated in the funeral prayer. Sultan Rahi's body was not taken out of the truck, but the funeral prayer was performed while it was kept in the truck. About 1.5 children went to Shansh Qadri's shrine for burial. This short distance was covered in about an hour and 10 minutes. Al-Din, Yusuf Khan, Nadeem Izhar Qazi, Judy Khan, Nasrullah Butt and Azam Jahangir etc. were included. Written by a cassette. On this occasion, many people fell on the van due to which the windscreen of the van was broken. The wall of Cheema Boss was badly injured and people were climbing on electric poles, while some boys were also seen climbing on the transformer. Written by a cassette. Apart from this, many boys were also sitting on walls that had pieces of glass attached to them, due to which the boys' feet were badly injured and bleeding. When the funeral was taken outside the premises of Shansh Qadri, hundreds of people pelted stones at the administration for preventing the last rites, due to which the artist was injured. By a cassette, the number of people at the funeral of this great man can be gauged from the number of people who attended the funeral of this great man. People also participated in the writing of a cassette, whom he used to give financial aid to. The poor women and men were beating their chests at his residence that we were already orphans after Sultan Rabi God. We were helpless person because of this. The bread was going bad. I don't know who the tyrant killed him. Rahi recorded the last film scene of his life with actress Saima on the night of 31 December for the film Peru. Sultan Rahi recorded the last film scene of his life with actress Saima on the night of 31 December for the film Peru. Actor Nadeem said that today the film industry has become an orphan. Actor Ishhar Qazi said that the face of Rahi Sahib is coming in front of the eyes. Actor Yusuf Khan said that the damage done to the film industry today can never be recovered. Qadir Ghori, a renowned artist of the past, said that no artist in the world has ever seen as much acceptance as Rabi got. Actor Mustafa Qureshi said that today Mullah Jat died and left Nouri Net alone. Actor Badr Munir said that the death of late Rabi has left me speechless. Actor Tanzim Hassan said that we used to get motivated by watching Aghaji, now who will give us motivation? Director Hassan Eskari said that the film industry will never get a life like Robi. Ilyas Kashmiri said that it was a pleasure to work with Rahi, he knew how to respect seniors. Actor Humayun Qureshi said that I had taken guidance from Rabi at every step, now my guide has died. Shafkat Cheema said that Rahi Sahib's films will last forever.